All right, everybody, we are here at the Comfort Inn and Suites Hotel in Allen Park, Michigan, off of Enterprise Drive, and we have an elevator. Big one, it looks like. It is a big elevator. Look at this. Now, this is strange. Yeah, this is not even the only one in the hotel. They both have different shines. There's the phone. Going up?
Yeah.
Which one are you going to?
Two.
Two?
Yeah. I think there's another lady coming in.
Is there?
Yeah.
Hold the door for her for a second, then.
You coming in? Yes, sir. All right. Thank you, buddy. Here you go. Oh, yeah. Make it. We're going to two.
Two? Perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Yep, absolutely. Have a great day.
Thank you, bud. You're welcome. Have a good day. You do the same.
Alright, continue up to 3. Let's ring the bell. For a Comfort Inn, this is a very strange hotel. For a big elevator like this to be a passenger elevator, not common for a hotel. We're not moving. There we go. That was weird. The elevator didn't move for like 2 seconds. Took a minute for it to start moving. 4,500 pound capacity. It's a big elevator. Very strange for a hotel. Interesting colors too, but I must say I rather like it. All right, that'll be it.